In today's video, we're going to talk about the fastest way to earn $500 a day using PayPal, okay? This is a make money online opportunity that's going to be life-changing for a lot of people. You're going to want to stay till the end of this video because I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to actually start producing results. I just want to warn you that you're going to love what you're about to hear because you don't need to learn how to create a website. You don't need to have a blog. You don't even need to know what to do. This is extremely newbie friendly. And if you're just getting started within an online space, you're definitely going to want to take a look at this. So what I want to start out with is first proof and results to show you guys that this works. What I do full-time online, and it actually brings in a full-time income for myself and my family. So all I'm going to do is put in today's date. And I like to start off with proof just because you guys don't know me, right? And you don't know if what I'm saying actually is true and if you can really make money within the online space. So why not just share with you some information and share with you the proof that comes along with it. So today is August 31st, which is Tuesday. And we're going to go right into one of my bank accounts here where I'm going to show you what is possible when you decide to actually work online, okay? And listen, this is something that's going to happen overnight. But of course, with time and a little bit of effort, it'll go a long way. Okay, so I'm just logging into my bank account here. And what you'll notice, it's loading slowly, is that I was able to generate $288,000 within the online space. Okay, and you may make more or less than this. You may have no results. It's really depending on the consistency and if you're paying attention to the information that I'm going to share with you. Now, what I like to talk about is free traffic, right? Because if you are going to start an opportunity, you need eyeballs and people that's going to be interested in what it is that you have to offer. And the thing is that a lot of people get into opportunities and they don't know what to do or where to start. So the best place to start is on Facebook. And the reason why is because Facebook is a free platform, okay? Not only that, you can actually grow a full-time income with this platform. So if we go to some of my posts, this is my page, and you can actually connect with me here if you would like. I put up posts like this that actually piques people's interest. And then I have people that reach out to me on a daily basis that's interested in what it is that I have to offer. Not only that, I put up pictures that people like, and then not only that, they love the content that I talk about. I have a course that shows you exactly how to make anywhere from $50 all the way up to $500 per post. So right here, this is a post, okay? And on August 17th, I put up a post and I talked a little bit about my life, my journey, and also what it takes in order to be successful. Again, this is nothing that you need to come up with. When you actually buy the course, it's going to tell you exactly what to write and what to put up, okay? So this is a picture that I took. And here, what I did was I talk about the reason why people are struggling. So I said, are you struggling with getting results online? Sometimes you may feel like we're doing everything online we can to see success. But what we don't realize is this, it's not enough. If you want to have success online, you have to be willing to focus on traffic, give value, remain consistent. And I remember in 2015 buying everything, reading everything, and producing zero results. I had to stop. And I did just that. I decided to get a mentor, and I promised myself no matter what, I would stick with that person for 6 months. It was life-changing and sometimes stressful. I had to believe when I didn't want to, struggle with negative thoughts, work when I wasn't producing results. But guess what? That's what it takes. You're making a sacrifice to live the lifestyle most can only dream of. And that means stepping outside of your comfort zone. So fast forward in 2021, I now make a full-time income, and you can do the same. So what I do is I tell people how to put these posts together so that people can reach out to you and want to know what it is that you do. Now, if you don't have a business, that's okay, because in the description below will also be a link for a business that you can start online to actually start producing these results, okay? So not only are you going to know how to run traffic and get results, you're also going to have a business model that you can use to actually start producing an income, okay? And again, you don't have to worry about making a website. You don't have to worry about a blog. You don't have to worry about running paid traffic, how to do YouTube ads, any of that. All you have to do is be willing to put in some effort. If you have an hour to 2 hours per day, you will actually start producing results, okay? Now, how long does it take to actually start building a page like this? You can actually have a page up and running for free on Facebook within 30 minutes, okay? Not only that, I can show you where to go to get a professional cover photo made for only $12, okay? Everything that you do is not going to cost much, but it will make you a ton of money over time if you stay consistent and you actually apply the information that's going to be taught to you, okay? So even if you're not a person that is really into Facebook or social media, you can learn quick and easy strategies that will allow you to start producing results. And not only that, you'll start producing them consistently. I've been doing this since 2016, using Facebook for free and being able to share my results and actually teach others how to do the same, okay? And I tell people all the time, if you are, maybe you're not a traveler, but you like to take photos, you like to be outside, you like to go to restaurants, maybe you love to do things inside, maybe you're a great cook, okay, or a good parent, maybe you love to go fishing, or you're a person that works out a lot and maybe you like to jog. All of these things are things that you can actually put on your page that will pique someone's curiosity and make them want to reach out to you. It's all a numbers game. So when you have 297 people reach out to you, and let's just say you have a product that's $300, all you need is for one person to pull the trigger for you to make $300 for the day. Maybe it's a picture like this or something where you're just outside and you have a product and you have 604 people look at your information, and then you have 2 people that sign up, then you just made $600 for the day. So again, it's all a numbers game, but you just have to stay consistent. When you go through the training, it's going to teach you exactly what to do. You're going to have videos that's going to be step-by-step on what to do first, second, and third in order for you to start producing results. And if you need to reach out to me because you have any questions, feel free to do so. My information is in the description below. I'm looking to help people to start earning a full-time income. And not only that, teaching people that the different strategies that I use to run traffic and to generate this full-time income. So I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.